Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix. We had an unexpected issue on GCash, basically the GCash login problem. Right, so let's open up our GCash application and I will show you everything that you need to do. Okay, so the first thing you might want to do is you need to go to your updates on your Android. So go to the home screen. Now go to your profile. Now from here, click on Manage Apps and Device and check for updates. If you have an update for this app, update it. Okay, the other thing you might want to do is clear app cache and data. So find the app in your phone in the search, hold it, go to Info. From here, clear data, then press on Clear Cache and OK. You can also clear data. So if you press on the same button, which is changed to clear all data once again, you will erase all the data that this app has within itself and erase the accounts and everything else, and this might potentially fix your issues. Right, also make sure that your internet connection is stable. Right, the other thing you might want to do, if your GCash app is open, as you can see I have Force Stop button on the bottom left, so go ahead and press on that button and stop the app. This will make sure that this app gets completely reset, and if you have any problems, they might be fixed as well in this way. Also, you might want to just reinstall the app, so uninstall it, just like that. Right, it's now deleted, and go ahead and install it again, as so. Just download it, log in again, and hopefully you will have your issues resolved. Also, what you might want to do is go to your browser. Alright, so go to the down detector, and check if the app is running and if the services are available. As you can see, users reports indicate no current problems at GCash. And lastly, if none of these fixes work for you, just contact GCash support on the official support channels and they will be able to help you to fix your issues. Thanks for watching, guys. Following these steps should help resolve the GCash login issue on Android. I hope this helped. If it did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.